How do you usually initiate a conversation with your colleagues in an effort to understand them better and develop friendships? Cultivating relationships in the workplace is fundamental for fostering a positive and productive environment. Here are a few pointers to guide you on how to kickstart discussions and build rapport with your workmates. Initially, seek commonalities. Search for mutual interests or experiences that can serve as icebreakers. This could range from pastimes to preferred television series. Next, be approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in what your colleague has to say. Remember to listen actively and ask open-ended questions to encourage further discussion. Additionally, be mindful of your body language. Stand or sit in an open and relaxed manner to signal that you are open to conversation. Lastly, be patient and give the relationship time to develop. Building friendships takes time, so don't rush the process. By following these tips, you can start talking to your colleagues, get to know them better, and make lasting friendships in the workplace. Now, it's your turn. We've talked about the importance of finding common ground, being approachable, using mindful body language, and the value of patience and time in building workplace relationships. But what are your experiences? How do you usually start a conversation at work? What has worked for you and what hasn't? We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and help create a more friendly and collaborative work environment for everyone. Remember, your insights could be the key to someone else's success.